So I received this query in my DM. Myself, Dr. Abhinav, and I'm posted at a CSC in Bhilwara, and I receive many cases of underage pregnancy. Sir, I wanted to ask, is it mandatory to report each and every case of underage pregnancy to the police? The answer is yes, because as per section 19 subsection 1 of POCSO Act, that is Prevention of Child Against Sexual Offences, it is mandatory to report each and every case of underage pregnancy to the nearest special juvenile police unit or the local police unit. Because as per section 63 of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, sexual intercourse with or without consent of a girl who is less than 18 years of age is considered as statutory rape. So if a doctor fails to report such cases, then under section 21 of POCSO Act, the doctor can be imprisoned for up to 6 months, or he can be punished with fine, or he can be punished with both. But here is the twist. If the minor or the guardian requests the doctor to not disclose the identity of the victim, then the doctor must maintain confidentiality and must not disclose identity while reporting the case to the police. If you have any more queries regarding the medical legal aspects while working as a medical officer at PSC or CSC, you can reach me directly through my DM and save yourself from unnecessary court cases and suspension during your career. Thank you.